Hello, welcome to Poem Strings. I'm Henriette and today we are going to learn the diminished seventh starting on G as it is set in the ABRSM syllabus for grade 5. It is one of those things that often gets left to last when it comes to learning scales, and it is great to have a little bit of time today in this video to break it down and go over it slowly. Some of my pupils find it very tricky, and they say they forget it very easily, so hopefully we will find a way together to make learning the diminished sevenths a bit easier for you and a bit of fun to learn. So let's go get your instrument and let's get started. So let's get started with the diminished seventh starting on D. I'll play it for you first and then we'll do it together and we'll go really slowly so that you learn it as we go along. So if you want to join in, by all means do, and make sure that you pause the video whenever you want to go over something, a part of this again. That's the beauty of video, you can just stop at any time and start again. So join in with me if you can. 1, 2. Written a repeat in my part and I'm going to go over this many times because that is the way I learn, and I find it easier to just do it a couple of times so I don't forget. It might also help if you learn the letter names of those notes off by heart. So the letter names of the notes in this diminished seventh starting on D are D, F, A flat, B and the top D. So perhaps you can memorize those letter names, but for now we're going to play it 3 times in a row. So join in with me when you're ready. 1, 2. From time to time you may want to check that your thumb here is not squeezing the violin very hard, so you just have that resting gently there, but be careful you don't squeeze it while you play. Let's do it one more time. This time I'm going to say the letter name of each note just before I play it. So join in with me. 1, 2. I'm playing a D first. D, F, A flat, B, D. You may have noticed that I don't actually say the letter names out loud when I go down that diminished seventh. I just go down the same way as I've come up. I find that a bit confusing if the letters then turn around. So D, F, A flat, B, D. If you learn those as you go along, it makes your learning much more reliable. Thank you for joining me today. I hope you have found this useful. Do subscribe to the channel. There are more videos like this, so come and see me again very soon.